Hi, it's Sava, Technical Director at CoolU UK, and today I'm going to answer a key question is, how much will this system cost me to run? It's very difficult to give you an exact cost because there's a number of factors that can affect this. Firstly, solar gain of the space. How much heat is coming in. Secondly, occupancy levels. The more people in a space, the more heat that's generated. Typically at rest, we will generate 100 watts per person. To give you an idea on that, if you have 10 people around for a party, that's 1,000 watts of heat generated per hour. Number 3, what is the room being used for? If it's a kitchen living area, then obviously the heat from the kitchen itself will generate a load in itself. Number 4, the size of the room. The larger the space, the more cooling required to cool the air volume. So in comparison, compared to a fan heater in the winter, it's cheaper to run. If you've got any questions with regards to anything I've said today, call the number on screen or visit our website. Thank you.